Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. My order arrived from Selfridges and I got my SUQQU Autumn 2021 collection. I did not purchase everything. By the time I ordered from Selfridges, one of the eyeshadow palettes was already gone, so I just decided to get one eyeshadow palette, one blush palette, and one lipstick. This collection is about the colors dyed by nature reveal a shift in the seasons. The colors of SUQQU, a noble tree, signals the arrival of autumn. So those of you know that I love SUQQU, really love it. The eyeshadow palette is no longer available on Selfridges. I wish I'd done a screenshot about it. It talks about the beauty of a tree standing tall and proud on its own. It has seen many decades and yet it lives each season anew. Water flowing through it, reaching every fresh tip. SUQQU's autumn collection is inspired by the colors of such trees. So they came out with 2 eyeshadow palettes, 2 blush palettes, and I think 13 lipsticks. 3 of them are limited edition. I got one that was not limited edition, so let's go ahead and get started. The eyeshadow palette that I got, this one is the number 106. Isn't that pretty? I did want both of them, but the other one with the purple was unavailable. So let me go ahead and swatch these. But look at that green. You know I love green. Okay, so this is like a topper shade. I love that burnt orange. So there's that. Let's go ahead and swatch it right here. Oh, that looks so pretty. So those are the shades of the 106. That is so pretty. How am I going to do my face? So let's go ahead and get started with the eyes. I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush into this orange color. And I'm using my Wayne Goss number 16 brush. Look at how much comes up on there. So I don't have my eyes prepped. I do have concealer, a little bit of concealer on there. And SUQQU is like, it's not known for like to have high pigment, but like a soft, sophisticated look. And these are made in Japan. And I love me some SUQQU. Isn't that pretty? So let me go ahead and do that on this side. And it blends beautifully. Now every SUQQU palette I have works beautifully. There are some color stories that I prefer above others, but like this is a color story I wouldn't put together myself. You know what I'm saying? So it always challenges me to go outside of what I would normally do. So I really enjoyed that about SUQQU palettes. But this is going to be perfect for the fall. Okay, then I'm going to go in with a small, this is the Rephr 02 brush, and I'm going to go into this green color and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Look at how much that picks up. Oh, look at how pretty that soft color is. I'm putting it on most of my lid. Then I'm taking a small shader brush, and this is the Wayne Goss number 20. I'm going to go into this burgundy shade, and I'm just going to deepen out the outer V of my eye. And bring it in just a scotch. And blend it up. Go back in with my first brush, a little too much. Okay, then I'm going to use my finger and go into this right here and put that on my, that's pretty on top of the green. This is so good for mature eyes, even though it's got glitter sparkles and everything. It doesn't emphasize texture, or I have not found it to emphasize texture or settle into my fine lines, and it doesn't crease on me. But isn't that pretty? I'm going to tightline my waterline with the Patrick Ta Black, and I'm going in with the pencil brush. Let's see. I'm going in with my Rephr number 3 into this olive green color. I'm going to put this all over my lower lash line. And then I'm going in with my Natasha Denona Macro Tech Eye Crayon. I've been really enjoying this. And I'm going to put this just on the outer V of my upper and lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the Rephr 03 and I'm going to go into this burgundy shade and I'm going to just put that right over the eyeshadow and just smudge that out a little bit. Okay, now let me go put on my mascara and I'll be back to do the rest of my face. Okay, I'm back. I put my mascara on. I got a little bit on my eyelids and I'll take care of that in a second. But let's go ahead and look at the blush. This is the blush in 128. Look at that. I don't have a color like this from the SUQQU collection. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch this here, and then kind of mix it all together. And those are the three. Let's do this right here. So this is the swatch on the dark side, the lighter side, like the highlighter side, and then this is mixed together. Isn't that so pretty? Perfect for the fall. Now let's see, how do I want to do this? Okay, so I have my SUQQU brush here, right? And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to kind of take it all over like this. And you can see it picked up quite a bit. And I'm just going to use this. Oh, this brush is too soft. Okay, I'm going in with my Sonia G Cheek Pro. I'm going to go ahead and mix it together. Let's see if this works better. There we go. Oh, what happened here? It's a nice soft look, isn't it? It's not as pigmented as the other blushes. It's a nice soft look though, but it's not as pigmented as some of the other ones. The blushes that come in a palette, like with 6 or 8 colors, those are way more pigmented than the singles. But that's pretty. Let me try using this as a highlighter. And I'm just gonna go on the edges here. See if that, oh, there it goes. Yeah, that works. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to use this as a bronzer, blush, blonzer, as Bare Minerals says, but no. I'm not going to be able to do that, but it's a nice soft look. Look at that. Okay, let me put on my bronzer and I'll be back to do lips. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the lipstick. This lipstick came like this, and then you had to buy the cap separately. So if you wanted to buy a ton of these and just use this, you can always keep the plastic bin to keep it safe while you only use the cap on one of these. But I only got one lipstick this time. I got mine in the color 05. Shinomi, and it's described as an intense tangerine brown with an exquisitely effortless touch. And I thought this tangerine color would go well with this eye look. So this is what the color looks like. Let's go ahead and swatch it right here. Ooh, that's brighter than I thought it was going to be. Okay, let's try this. I don't have any lip liner on. Ooh, that's way more tangerine than I thought it was gonna be. Very comfortable. I don't know how I feel about this color. I thought it was gonna be more brown. What do you guys think? But it's very comfortable. Oh, I wanted to show you the emblem, but I already used it. They have a new design on there. But this is what this color looks like. Ooh, it's growing on me. But I feel like I need more blush, don't you? Let me see if I can find a stiffer brush. Let's try the Rephr 05 brush. I think this might be a little stiffer. And let's see if we can get, oh yeah. Okay, you just need a stiffer brush for this. There we go. What do you guys think? Does the color all work together? Yeah, I think it does. Okay, I just needed a little convincing. Okay, what do you guys think? Let's talk about this eyeshadow palette. Actually, let me fix my eyes first. Get all that mascara off. All right, let's talk about this eyeshadow palette. Now, this is a palette color story that I normally wouldn't put together, but that's what I really like about SUQQU. It like pushes me outside of my comfort neutral natural look, but I love the look that I got with it. Oh, I took off some of this shine when I took off my mascara on my eyelid, so let me do this again. Usually SUQQU wears really well on me, so I really like this eye look. but I think this is great for fall. So I'm glad I got this. Now the blush took a little bit of work, but I think you just need a stiffer brush with this actual formula, with this palette. Usually with SUQQU blushes, they go on really nicely for me, but the ones in the palette that has like 8 colors, those are more pigmented than the single blushes. But I like it. I even like the subtle look of the highlighter there. Now this lip color, it's very comfortable. And they did come out with 13 shades. This is very, very, very comfortable. And this color is growing on me. Even during this video, I think this works for me. And I don't have a color like this in my collection, so this is great. So for me, it was a win. The blush was a little bit of work, but I finally figured out how to make that work, so that's good. So let me know down in the comments below if you got anything from the SUQQU collection. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoy this type of video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you next time.